Just want to go over the process again of how to set up an Amazon affiliate website. Because if you're starting out online, starting out with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you do an Amazon affiliate website. But even if you aren't doing Amazon, if you're doing some other kind of promotion of another product, so you're just doing general affiliate marketing for another product or product range other than Amazon stuff, then the whole process is exactly the same. But I just like to focus on Amazon because it's such a fantastic place to start. Okay, so when you're starting out, I suppose the first thing you need to consider is, what are you going to make your website around? What product or product range are you going to find and then build your whole website and then content marketing around? So that is the first stage. And using Amazon as an example, the easiest thing to do is to head over to Amazon, sort of choose your specifications. Now I like to say at least £100 sale price of the product. There needs to be a decent product range, so several different kinds of the same product or things within the market for this product. There needs to be decent reviews of the product, and it's great if these are best-selling products and things like this. And this is what is covered in module 1 of the course that is run by Earn 1000. Once you've completed module 1, so we'll just click in here to show you what it looks like. So there is a 10-minute video that explains exactly what you need to do. I start off by talking to you, explaining why we need to do this and what the process involves, and we go ahead and go into Amazon itself, onto their website, and I identify a brand new product range to use to build a website around. We've got a brief description of the main points and also quick links to the Amazon bestsellers list, so you can start searching for your own product. So that is the very first module of the course, and that's where we should start. You need to identify what your website is going to be around and what you're going to start promoting. And then involved with this is we need to make sure that the product we're going to invest our time and energy into promoting, building a website around, we need to know whether it's actually a viable product. Is it really something we should be doing? And this is covered in modules 2 and 3, where we carry out some basic keyword research in module 2. And again, we have a video, this time a 20-minute video that explains all. And again, it starts off with myself explaining exactly what we're doing, why we need to do keyword analysis. And then we go through the whole process of setting up an account so we can use a free tool that lets us analyze what people are actually searching for on Google to see if it's worth us building a website around it. So basically, we're going to see, is there actually enough people searching for a product and information about a product for us to invest some time into creating some content around it. And again, we have a summary of the main points of this module, and then a link to this free keyword planner tool, which I show you how to use and set up exactly in module 2. Then in module 3, we look at some competition analysis. So basically, we need to know, if we build a website, even if it's a great website, is there too much competition out there already in the search results, or too many other websites very similar to ours? So it's going to be hard for us to attract some visitors and therefore make some money off it. So here we have a 15-minute video. Again, I explain exactly what's going on at the start. Then we go ahead and do a live test and a live analysis to see what competition it is around two potential products, or potential products that we could build a website around. We analyze the different websites, go into what we need to look at, so you too can do exactly the same when you're setting up your site. Again, we have a discussion about what is covered in the video, and then quick links again. So competition analysis is what we look at in module 3. So these first 3 modules are all about choosing the product and making sure it's the right product to build your website around. Then once we've done this, the next stage is we need to actually start setting up our online property, our website. So we need to give it a name, and we need to set up how it's going to be live on the site. And this is sort of domain names and web hosting, and this is all covered in module 4. I have a video again, it's time 15 minutes, and we go through the whole process of actually finding a domain name for our website, for a product that we found and analyzed during the first 3 modules. We actually go ahead and buy a domain name for it. So we buy an address for our website. Then we go ahead and set up and sign up for web hosting. So we've actually got our website properly live on the internet. So this is all covered in module 4. Again, we have some quick information and some quick links to get this started yourself. Then in modules 5 and module 6, we go ahead and actually set up our website. So in module 5, we talk about something called WordPress, which is the web platform that we're going to use to build our website on. So again, this is just a short video because it's a very easy process, so don't get worried about setting up a website. Everything is explained in huge detail here. So in 5 minutes, I actually install WordPress onto the internet, ready for our website to be built. Again, I've got some information about it and some quick links to do this. And in module 6, we go ahead and look at how we can style and customize our website. And here we apply a theme, and also we go through some main tools and some main sections within WordPress. This is about a 15 to 20-minute video. Again, where I explain exactly what we're doing. And we go ahead and style and do some custom styling to make our website a bit unique. So again, I've got some information there so you can read about it. And so in this whole process, what I'm doing is I'm actually building up my own live website from scratch, my own Amazon affiliate website from scratch. I identified a product here in module number 1. You will identify your own product or product range in module 1. Then you just follow along as I go through these modules and set up my website. You set up your website too, exactly the same. And then in module 7, we go ahead and look at the structure and how you actually structure and apply content to your website. So basically, this stage is we're looking at adding useful information that people want to find answers for, or want to find on the internet. So people are going to type into Google things that are going to look for information or advice around the product your website is around. We need to make sure that we provide this content on our website and we structure it correctly so we can actually earn some commissions. So this is what module 7, 8 and 9 and 10 are all about. So in module 7 we just cover how to structure and lay out content. Then in module 8 we go ahead and add 10 product pages to our website, and in module 9 we start to add core foundation base articles to a site that we'll use to attract some visitors from Google onto our website. So these are vital, these are extremely important modules, and I go through each of them. And then in module 10 we just look at styling and laying out this content on our website out in general a bit more, so it looks beautiful and professional, so people that come to our site trust it, and it's more likely they will follow links and buy stuff from it in the future. So once we have all of our content on our site, the next stage is we need to make sure Google knows we exist. We need to make sure they know our site is here, they know where all our content is that we just added, and they index it so people can find it from their search results. So this is what module 11 is all about. It's setting up something called SITEMAPS and WEBMASTER tools, and these are all completely free. And basically a sitemap is a table of contents or a contents or index for everything on our site. So we need to make sure we generate a file within our website, and it's really easy to do. And I've got everything covered here in this video in module 11. So again, we need to make sure everything is laid out and all the content is stored in a file that's on our website. Then we go ahead and use Google's free Webmaster Tools, and also something called Bing Webmaster Tools, because they're using the Microsoft Bing search engine, because we want to attract visitors there too. So we set up an account on Webmaster Tools for both Bing and Google. We tell them about our sitemap, we tell them about our website, so now Google knows to crawl, find our pages and index our stuff on Google so people can actually find it. So this is a very important stage, and it's a stage maybe people will miss out if they don't know about it. So this is covered here in module 11 in this 20-minute video. Again, I've got information about it and quick links to the different areas, Webmaster Tools that you need to visit. Okay, so after we've got all the content on the site and we've made sure Google actually knows we exist and our content is there and ready to be indexed for people searching for it, we now need to make sure that Amazon, or whatever affiliate program you're using, but here it's Amazon, we need to make sure that they know to owe us money. So basically we need to be tracking every click from our site, sending people through to their site, and when someone buys they need to know about this, that it came from us, that they need to give us a commission. So to do that, we need to put in special affiliate tracking links into our website. And to get these links, we need to sign up to the Amazon Associates program. So here in module 12, we do all of this. And again, as normal, I have a video, this time about 15 minutes. I start off by explaining exactly what we're doing and why we're doing it. Then we go ahead and create a brand new Amazon Associates account, get all of our tracking links. I'll show you how to get the links for each individual product or product search results, and then we add it to our site. And again, this is all, well, it's a brief summary of what we cover and then the links that we need to go to the Associates program. Everything is explained in this module. So now that we know we've got all our proper tracked links, we can go ahead and add more product pages to our site. So we have 10 more products on our site. So this is covered in module 13. And again, I show you exactly how to create pages, product pages, how to get the information for the product pages, how to lay them out, and then also add the links to our site. And this is all covered in the modules. And again, in module 14, we add more core content articles that, as I explain in the modules themselves, we use to attract visitors that are searching in Google and bring them to our site. So we add more of this because the more content we have, the more pages we've got available to find in Google. And then what we do is some more advanced research and then article writing, because we have these core articles that we can almost think up on the spot. But when it comes to really knowing what people are searching for and then targeting articles or content around that, we need to do some keyword research. So in module 15, we do some more intermediate keyword research. And again, as always, it's about a 13-minute video, explain exactly what we're doing, why we're doing it, and show you exactly what you need to do as I do it in real time for my product. Again, I've got some brief information and some quick links to what you need to know. In module 16, we go ahead and write some targeted keyword-rich, keyword research articles to our site. And these articles are the ones that will really attract some good visitors to your site. It's a bit longer, about 20-25 minute long video, but again, go through the whole process, show you how I construct and write the articles themselves, how I put them and publish them on the website, how I lay them out, how I get the images, how I get the links, and all of that is covered in this module 16. So I'm adding these 10 more articles to the site. I even show you links to the pages on the website I've created. So if we click, it'll open up the website I create live for you during this course, and it shows you the article itself. So here we are on the website I built up from scratch during this course. And here is a keyword research article that I've created. And again, everything about this website, the layout, this image, the content here, these lists on the side, these menus, is all shown to you how to create exactly yourself. So then the main final module, module 17, is all about, okay, we have our website set up, we have all this content on it, we've told Google we exist, we've got to attract affiliate links, but how do we know if people are actually visiting our website? And the answer is we do Google Analytics. And in module 17, we cover all of this. So this 12 to 13 minute video, I show you exactly what Google Analytics is, how to put it on your website, and then what it shows you. And basically, it's free, completely free to set up. You just need to set up a Google Analytics account, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. To do this from scratch, we generate some special code that we put on a site, and I'll show you exactly how to do this because I do it myself in real time. And then we use it to see how many visitors come to our site, what pages they visit, and other information like this. So we can actually see that our website is working and that we're actually attracting some people. This is all covered in module 17. Again, I explain briefly in some text exactly what's covered, and then some quick links to get started yourself. Then finally, in module 18, we sort of round things up, and I go on to explain how you can take what you built, which is a core foundation, a really solid foundation of an affiliate website that will attract visitors and will earn you commissions, will generate some money. but I also go on to explain how you can take this solid base and grow it and go off in different directions and make more money, or completely sort of turn the direction of your website to do different things with it. So I cover all of this in module 18. So this is the step-by-step course to making a profitable Amazon affiliate website, and this is the process you need to follow to get your own website up there perfectly.